everyone, this is Freya from Scale DP. What you don't see inside your water heater could be costing more than you think. In many homes, water contains dissolved minerals like calcium and magnesium. This is what we call hard water. You may not always notice it, but your equipment does. And in many cases, what's actually in your water isn't always obvious. That's why testing your water, even with a simple check, could help you better understand the conditions in your system before choosing a solution. When water is heated, these minerals form scale. It builds up on heating elements, inside pipes, and across heat exchangers. Over time, this leads to higher energy consumption, reduced efficiency, more maintenance, and a shorter equipment lifespan. There are different ways to deal with hard water. Some focus on removing minerals, others focus on managing how scale forms. But in reality, scale causes the most damage where water is heated. That's why water heaters and boilers are the most crucial points to protect, especially in modern tankless systems, where internal passages are smaller and temperatures are higher. Scale builds up faster and causes damage sooner. So, instead of only focusing on the water itself, a smarter approach is to protect the equipment directly. This is where Scale DP comes in. The water heater descaler is our solution, which have efficient installed on the cold water inlet line before the water heater. Scale DP works exactly where scale formation becomes most aggressive. Designed for tankless systems, storage water heaters, gas, electric, and boiler applications. Scale DP changes how minerals behave in water. Instead of forming hard deposits that stick to surfaces, they remain suspended and flow through the system. No salt, no chemicals, no electricity, no maintenance. And it lasts 10 years. Just continuous protection for your equipment. The same approach can also be applied across different parts of our water system, from whole house protection to targeted point-of-use applications. Because scale doesn't happen everywhere equally. It happens where conditions allow it, and in some systems, multiple approaches can work together to provide more comprehensive protection. With proper scale management, you can maintain efficiency, reduce maintenance, and extend the lifespan of your system. For installers and professionals, it's a simple addition that helps reduce service costs and improve long-term system performance. Managing water is one part of the equation. Understanding where scale forms and protecting those points is what makes the difference. Scale DP, built for where scale matters most.